Trevor.
Trevor, this is Trevor.
What's up?
There's a guy who's trying to name Brandon, I think, right?
What?
There's a guy who's trying to name Brandon, right? Yeah, I'm Brandon.
No, I don't know. I wish I mentioned it. I know, it's very quiet. Yeah, I'm the same on the other guy. Yeah, it's weird. Oh, yeah,
We're both dead, maybe.
No way! Wait! Trevor's awesome. What the fuck? My name was
That's so awesome. Like, you need to come to the dance starter, bro. They're all like, what?
They do like, I could probably make up some bullshit however
Yeah, bro. You can be like, yeah. And then you just have a bow down.
I want to get a shirt. Yo!
We should give him one. Oh,
It's so funny. USC
just be like, hey, like, pop.
That's an easy girl. You literally won't have anyone be like, you know, coffee.
Like Kausman. Oh, shit. That's awesome.
What type of dance you got?
I say mostly ballet, but
You guys have to do like everything?
yeah, that's awesome.
You don't like contract or like certain life?
You have concentration, so like it's more like in like film for dance.
Alright, choreography. What about you?
Actually, I'm in hip-hop contemporary, and I do but I do but I mean, ballet's way fucking fun. I mean, I know you probably know, right? You can ballet.
Yeah, no.
What do you do?
I don't get to play very much anymore. Not really in LA. Let's just go to fight for it. Yeah, so like my dad knows play on like a nice let's go play. Like ask your buddy if we can get on. Yeah, exactly.
No, that's pretty awesome. That's pretty fun. But I had to quit. I had like a private teacher, and it was like
That's probably my biggest hobby. And it's hard like with school. It's like golf is a good time for the yeah. Whether it's just you guys have dance might take a lot of time off.
I want to do an acting minor next year. That's the one. Yeah, I minor is like to act like we're off.
We're actually roommates. Where do you guys live? Arkansas. Okay. Fuck it. So like the red track thing for
What year are you?
I'm a junior. We're in that one.
You remember where you live?
I mean, I was in Spring Abbott, so that kind of also.
You're both stuff I know, right?
I mean, I think it's just weird on at this point because it's so much older. And it's like like I don't think you really want to, like, once you're that age, you don't want to go to college anymore. I hang around like 18-year-old girls.
Oh, yeah, well.
Oh, yeah, that's all fun.
But I guess, yeah, once you, I mean, you don't really need a fake ID.
Yeah.
You're like 29. No, 40 years old.
We had a guy come around who was like, 55 years old.
Oh, yeah, no, I think I saw that on Facebook.
So,
You guys don't have a Facebook?
we didn't show your
Oh, I didn't find it.
What else do you guys have last time?
I came super late because I got out of and then I left. I made $30 per Uber to get there. The Uber driver was not off because like, you have to go to this gate and it's
Oh, wait, is that like
or something.
Something like that.
But like, yeah,
$30 for an Uber. I get there like an hour and a half.